How to transfer money from Cash App to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can transfer your money from Cash App to your bank account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to transfer money from your Cash App to your bank account, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you're going to see this type of interface. Now first of all, you need to make sure you've added a bank account. To do this, just tap the profile icon from the top right, scroll down, go to the option called linked banks. Make sure to link a debit card, and if you don't have a card, you can simply link your bank account by tapping the no card option. And then once you make sure that you have successfully linked your bank account, I'm assuming you've already done so, you want to come to the home tab here, and let's say you have some cash balance and you want to withdraw it to your bank. All you have to do is just tap the cash out button here. Once you tap the cash out button, if you have cash, you'll be able to follow the on-screen prompts and instructions and then withdraw the money successfully to your bank account directly. And that's it on how you can transfer money from Cash App to bank account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.